This is sample question number 2 from SOA Exam P Probability. The probability that a visit to a primary care physician's office results in neither lab work nor referral to a specialist is 35%. Of those coming to a PCP's office, 30% are referred to specialists and 40% require lab work. So here I'm going to write down some information that I'm given. So probability of being referred to specialists is 0.3 or 30%, and the probability of requiring lab work is 40% or 0.4. And another information is neither lab work nor referral to specialists. So probability that it's neither specialist nor lab work is equal to 0.35. And note that this C represents whatever that does not include S. So if I were to draw a Venn diagram, like so, and we'll call this U. This is the universe, and that always has to equal 1 or 100%. And let's let this circle represent S and this other circle L. So SC is simply the area that does not include S, and that would be this shaded region here. This area, whatever that does not include S. And whatever that doesn't include L would be this blue area. And then you're trying to find an intersection of these two, and which would be, if I were to draw it on a smaller scale, it would be any area that's outside of these two circles. And that's equal to 0.35 or 35%. Now, they're asking us to calculate the probability that a visit to a PCP's office results in both lab work and referral to specialists. So, in other words, they're asking us to find this area. Well, so how do I do that? First of all, we know that this background area here in this area is equal to 0.35. And because everything has to add up to 1, the whole universe has to add up to 1, you can do that P S union L, which is these two circles, which is the area or represented by these two circles, is equal to 1 minus this area that's covered by the white dashed lines, 0.35. So S union L is equal to 0.65. And we know the formula P S union L is equal to probability of S plus probability of L minus probability of intersection of S and L. And we already have 3 of the information here. So 0.65, just going to plug it in. 0.4 minus, and so if I rearrange, I get 0.7 minus 0.65, so 0.05, and the answer is A.